Right.
How's it going? We're here for day 80 of Fergal's Tune a Day. We're in Pawling, New York, in Darryl's house, and we just met Shannon and Dan. Shannon's from Belfast. Correct. Dan is from?
New Jersey.
New Jersey. Excellent. And we just met and we just learned a new tune. Well, I did anyway. So this is Mike McGoldrick's Jig.
Yep.
Lovely. 1, 2, 3. Exactly as we rehearsed it.
There you go.
Nice. She remembered the 81.
You.
That was great.
That's